Hello, hi everyone. Okay, today we unboxing one HG mechanic. It's a Dendrobium RX-78GP03, but it's not exactly scale 144 like a standard HG. So the name is the HG mechanic. It's a image from the box art. It's a front view review, the info here. It's a very old kit, 2001, and it's at the price for the gimmick of it's a pilot, the model kit, GP03 and RX GP03, this one, and ATX04, this one. So let's see what inside. Let's select it like this. You got a sticker here, normal sticker, dry transfer sticker. One pack here. Manual. Boots. One pack. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pack total. Open one by one. The first pack here is this is runner A. Runner A. Next pack here is to runner C. Next, this is runner G2, and this is runner D. Runner D for the main unit. So G2 here is for the kit. This is G1 for the mobile suit, and this G2. We got two mobile suit, right? For this is G1 and G2. Okay. Next is runner F, the main unit. These are more to stand and thruster, the arm parts. This is runner, what's the number? E, runner E. So this is the last pack here. This is runner B. So that's all for the runner, and here the manual. Manual here is open like this. So just one big piece like this. So they do the main unit first, then main unit, then the mobile suit here and mobile suit here, then attach all. Yeah. Manual. This is a complete unit like this. Here, more image, and Dendrobium. And color guide. Okay. I think that's all for unboxing RX-78GP03 Dendrobium. So we do the speedbook and review later. Okay, thank you all for watching. Bye.